Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Sonam Sunita Atri and you are watching Art with Freedom. So the highlight of today, I am so happy about this that finally I got my passport. Yes, finally. Okay, so this is literally the highlight of past 20 days for me because I'm really happy that I finally got it. And no, I am not going anywhere for now. Okay, so but I'm really satisfied that I'm done with this one, but two things are left for me for now. That one is my voter ID and the other one is my driving license, which I'm definitely not going to get because I have no idea how to drive. I have a crowd phobia and because of that I don't drive at all. I learned how to drive a car in November, but I never practiced it after that because I have a thing with the crowd. I always get hyper and I'm just so scared. But I'm going to try my level best to learn it as soon as possible because it's really important. A driver's license is really important for me. So I'm going to work on that. But let's come to the point of today's video. Okay, so what I'm going to do today, I am going to do something crafty because it's been many days since I've done anything crafty or anything artistic. So I was thinking, what should I do? So then I found something, which is this box. Okay, this is the box of my so many stationery supplies that I keep in here. All my stationery things and supplies and this and that, all the things that I use in my artistic and craftic things. And I have this box for a while now. This was my brother's stationery box when he was in college, and when he came back home from his college he gave it to me because he no longer needed it, and I have it for quite a while. And I think, why should I not decorate it? Because I think I should, but still the question is that why? Because I'm an artist, I'm an art person, this is my job, but I have to decorate things like this. I love doing stuff like this, you know, decorating old boxes and DIYs and this and that. So this is my thing, and I always feel good whenever I do something crafty and things like this. So that's why today I'm going to decorate this one, and let's see how it goes because I have zero plans what I'm going to do with it. This is something with me that I never make a plan that what I'm going to do in a DIY thing. It's always random. So let's see how it goes because I don't like planning stuff when it comes to art. You know, like इतने सेंटीमीटर का काटना है और इतना कलर यूज करना है, ये यूज करना है, वो that's not my thing. I'm always random. I'm always just whatever I feel like. So that's how it's gonna go. And let's get started. it's completed now, the DIY decoration of the box, as you can see, and it looks pretty, like so pretty. Oh my god, this looks lovely and beautiful and amazing, and I'm very happy with it, and I'm really satisfied with today. It was a nice day, it was a productive day, and it was a very artistic day, so I'm really fine with it and happy. If you are still here, do give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below that I am an art because you are absolute art. Keep believing in yourself, keep loving yourself, and do share the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with all of your artistic friends and everyone else. All the best to you, all the best to me. Thanks for watching the video. Lots of love to you, lots of love to me. Bye bye.